Just one beat, communication. And sorry to spoil you there. What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech again, back at you with another video. And on this video, we're gonna be building this beefy system. Now, this is not gonna be a talking head video like we always do, but we're gonna be linking all the parts of this system to the description down below so that you can check them out. But just to give you a heads up on how this video is gonna go, we're gonna do a build laps, we're gonna do some benchmarks, and then we're gonna be doing a killer b-roll, of course, you know me. And then after that, we're gonna be doing and discussing what I like and I don't like about this build. So without further ado, here is the build. So what I like about this build is actually one is the coolant. So we used a UV reflective coolant for this one. And aside from that, I also like that this has the RTX 3090. This is using a Threadripper, okay? This is actually the Founders Edition, although it doesn't really go well with the theme that we have here, the blue and white, and then this will be a titanium and black. It doesn't really matter because it's actually the centerpiece of this build in my opinion. Also, one thing to consider is, upon filming this video right now, the 6900 XT has just been released from the market. So I'm really interested how this 3090, especially the Founders Edition, goes head-to-head with that 6900 XT. I know that some games will favor, of course, NVIDIA, some will favor AMD, but who knows, right? I guess I need to get my hands on a 6900 XT. But there's just one thing that I really don't like about this build, and that is the ROG Thor. Sorry Asus. This is because I don't know why they did this design with the power supply, but the exhaust is pointing upwards. Well, usually when I build PC cases, the exhaust of the power supply is facing downwards to exhaust air downwards from the power supply and eliminating it to like push the hot air again inside the case. But although this is an open case, as you can see, this is the Cougar mid-tower ATX case. It's pushing the air inside, as you can see. Although aesthetically, looking at it, it's very nice. It looks badass, but this design, in my opinion, is the only thing that I do not like. Other than that, as you can see, as you can judge for yourself, this build is very nice. This is actually one of the best builds that I've done so far in my entire IT life. So that is it for this video. Hit like if you like this video, and please do subscribe, as it is really a big help for this channel if you subscribe, and see you on the next video.